In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add plugins on WordPress.com. This simple yet essential process will help you expand the functionality of your WordPress.com site by introducing additional features and tools. Now, let's begin by navigating to the WordPress.com login page. Open your browser and type in WordPress.com login. This will direct you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard, which is essentially the control center for your website. Now, from the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu bar and click on Plugins. Plugins are powerful extensions that allow you to customize and enhance your site's capabilities, whether it's improving SEO, adding contact forms, or integrating with social media. After clicking on Plugins, you'll notice an Add New button appear. Clicking this button will take you to the Plugins repository, a vast library of plugins you can browse and install onto your site. Here, at the top right corner, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can type in the name of the plugin you wish to install. For instance, if you're looking for an SEO plugin, simply type SEO, and a list of related plugins will appear. Take your time to explore the options, reading through descriptions, ratings, and reviews to ensure you choose the best plugin for your needs. Once you've found a suitable plugin, you'll see an Install Now button next to it. Clicking Install Now will initiate the download and installation of the plugin to your WordPress site. It's a quick process, and as soon as it's done, you'll see the button change to Activate. Now click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This step is crucial as it switches on the plugin and allows it to operate on your website. Once activated, you'll typically notice a new menu option has been added to your dashboard, allowing you to configure the plugin settings as you desire. And there you have it. You've successfully added a plugin to your WordPress.com site. Remember, plugins are powerful tools, but it's essential to only use plugins from reputable sources, as adding too many can sometimes slow down your site or cause conflicts. Always keep your plugins updated to the latest versions to ensure compatibility and security. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on adding plugins to your WordPress.com site. Happy blogging!